Modijet company is over 37 years old. We are based in 11 countries, also in Croatia. We started from a small stamp machine and grows and grows and grows. And now we are one of the bigger player with a lot of own machines. Also the one which we say behind us. Rotary machines, flat printer, lamination, all the kinds what all the customers need, we can have it, and we produce also own machines. That means we have standard machines and customized machines. Our Modijet Wave, this is the printer here. You can print for 42 up to 120 millimeters diameter. The size of the printing is 20 centimeters. There inside you can print on glass, you can print on plastic, you can print on metal. It's all no problem. The speed of the printer is very nice. We print this kind of cap in 1 minute and 5 seconds with white, color and varnish, gloss varnish. And the nice thing is on this machine that we are the manufacturer. We have a lot of knowledge how the machine must run. We produce the machine like the customer really needs. That means all the stuff where the customer really needs is the maintenance. That is very easy. That the customer don't need to wait for a technique guy if something breaks down or something like this. And it's in a low budget place. That means this machine we sell in Croatia to 18,000 euro, 1/8, what is all included. It's normally an UV printer with a rotary system, nothing else. This is a very old one. We have in the past a lot of other machines, also from other companies. But now we decided to make our own with our knowledge that it's easier for the customer. The question is standard, and we have tested also on this kind of cups. We have a dishwasher test make, and we solved it. So it's running very good. I tested in my home. We have also make a dishwasher test on glass. This fits also. On glass, the glass must be pre-treatment before. We have special machines for this, for flame, for pyrosil, to have a better excision. But if you make it right, you will get a very nice print and a very good excision also for dishwasher. This machine, we have a limitation of the diameter. That means I can print 42 to 120. This is the minimum and the maximum. We have also other machines where other is bigger, is faster. It depends really what the customer needs. And this printer, which we bring you, the Modijet Wave, is our starting machine for people who want to start to print in the round system and don't spend so much money. Thank you.